First go to the file and choose open. Select this Apple image. Click open. Now click on the lock icon to unlock this layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then go to the file. This time choose place embedded. Select this mouth image. Click place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Click enter. Then right click on this layer and choose rasterize layer. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer. Hide the top layer. Select the second layer. Take the lasso tool and select the mouth like this. Now click the add layer mask option below. Then hold shift button and select these two layers. Open edit and choose auto blend layers. Enable stack images option here. Enable these two options as well and click OK. Now expose the top layer. Move this layer to below. Select the top merged layer and click add layer mask option below. Now take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to black. Increases the opacity to 100%. Then brush on teeth to bring back to whiteness. Now move this bottom layer to top. Hold the Alt button and click add layer mask option below. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. Decrease the brush opacity to 50%. Now start brushing to fix the edges like this. Let's see the final result.